Mr. Your mic is muted.
Abdullah, can you hear me? Abdurrahim Adil? Abdurrahim Adil? Adham?
Yes, Mr.
Adham, read this question.
Okay. If an atom gains electrons, it becomes it's B.
Negatively charged ion. B. Yes, B. Atom, sorry. Atom gains electron, so it becomes negatively charged ion. Yes. 32. We can change this one. So let me get someone else. Ali Yusuf Hilal. Ali Yusuf Hilal. Ibrahim Adil. Ibrahim Anwar. Only 10. إبراهيم ربيع. إبراهيم ربيع. محمد عبد القادر.
Yes, Mr.
This question, read it again. 31. It's a different question.
If an atom loses electrons, it becomes a positively charged ion. A.
The answer is A. برافو عليك محمد. محمد فاضل. محمد فاضل. محمد فاضل. أسامة فراس. أسامة فراس. سعد اليامي. سعد اليامي.
Yes, Mr.
Okay, Saad. Question 32.
السلام عليكم.
عليكم السلام ورحمة الله وبركاته. إبراهيم. سعد اليامي, can you read question 32? سعد اليامي. سعد خالد الحسيني.
Yes, Mr.
Question 32.
The strength of an electric field depends on D. Both and B. Both A and B.
Amount of charge and the distance. Both A and B. This question. علي كمال المرزوق. علي كمال.
Yes.
Ali,
Do you hear
read
me?
question 33. Yes, I hear you. 33, read it.
If the two charges represented in figure 20 of the 2-1 were brought near each other, they would.
Zoot what? Negative and positive. What is the answer, Ali? I can't hear you, Ali. طيب. Let me get someone else.
Mister, you hear me?
Yes, I hear you, but I didn't hear you previously.
The answer is A.
Yes, the answer is A, attract each other. 34, thank you. Ali and Ibrahim Anwar. Ibrahim.
أيوة sir.
Ibrahim, question 34, read it.
What do electric forces between charges depend on? Both A and B, mister.
The answer, Ibrahim, the quantity of the charge involved with how far apart the charges are. So the answer is both A and B. Thank you, Ibrahim. Let's see what the other one. This 34. Let me pick someone to answer it. Muaz. Muaz. Muaz, what is the SI unit of charge?
Yes, miss.
Question 34 now.
Yes. The SI unit of charge. Amber.
Not ampere. Ampere. It's called ampere, not ampere. The charge. What are the units of a charge? What is the SI unit of a charge? Here with me, Muaz. Let's see someone else. Muammal. Muammal. محمد أيمن الملحم. محمد رمضان. محمد رمضان. مرتضى. عبد العزيز
Yes,
الهلال.
Mr.
Okay, Abdulaziz. What's the answer for this question? 34.
Mr. 35 or 34?
This one.
What is the SI unit of charge?
What is the SI unit of a charge?
It seems.
C, coulomb, yes. The answer is C, coulomb. Thank you, Abdulaziz. Nabjan. Nabjan. Hassan Ramadan. Hassan Ramadan.
Yes, mister.
Hassan, question 35. Read it.
Walking across a carpet is an example of change being transferred by its contact, mister.
No, walking through carpet is one charged metal or one charged particle and other metal and conduct it. So the energy or the charged particle is called contact. But when you go through or across a carpet, this is an example of what?
Friction, mister.
Yes, it's an example of friction, transferring energy by friction, or transferring charge by friction. 36. فيصل. فيصل محيش. فيصل. أحمد متعب القناص. أحمد متعب القناص. عبد الله المبارك.
Here, Mr. Abdullah Hiran.
عبد الله
Yes, here, Mr.
36. Read it 36 عبد الله.
If a neutral metal comb is held near an object with a negative charge, the comb will become charged by induction, contact, friction, discharge.
So if a neutral metal comb is held near an object with a negative charge, the comb will be becoming charged by induction, contact, induction. Yes, it's induction because it's metal. Because it's metal, it will be charged by induction. Because they didn't contact each other, they didn't touch each other. He said here he's held near, so this is induction. Thank you, Abdullah. Abdullah Abdul Latif. Abdullah Abdul Latif. Abdullah Abdul Latif. Abdul Hadi. عبد الهادي سعيد. عبد الله عبد المجيد فروضة. عبد المجيد فروضة. عباس يعني اللي حاضر معنا كم واحد دلوقتي؟ 9. أنا مكتوب 11 ليه بقى؟ 12 كمان. عبد اللطيف. طيب. I will start from the beginning again. اللي هنادى عليهم دولت those people who I'm going to call them they are absent. So if there is somebody he absent. عبد اللطيف عبد الله المبارك absent. عبد الرحيم absent. أحمد متعب القناص absent. علي يوسف الهلال absent. فيصل absent. إبراهيم عادل absent. إبراهيم الربيع absent. مؤمل absent. محمد أيمن الملحم absent. محمد رمضان absent. محمد فاضل absent. نفجان absent. أسامة absent. سعد خالد الحسيني سعد محمد يامي absent.
Mr. I'm here, Adrian, but my mic is having a problem, Mr.
I think right now you don't have any problem, Adrian.
Yeah.
Okay, you can read this question. Answer it. What type of current? Yes, 37.
37. What type of current is produced by a battery? Is it B?
B, alternating current? No. Battery is producing direct current. Alternating current, the current comes from the wall socket in your house, in the school. It's alternating current. But the battery is providing direct current, which has a constant intensity or fixed intensity and direction. We have explained the difference between them before. So the battery is producing direct current. Alternating come from wall socket. Thank you, سعد. طيب نعيد بقى القراءة تاني. ناخد من الأول بقى. كده احنا عندنا 10 student بس. وهنا في ناس انضمت لينا. We just joined us right now, guys. أحمد القناص. أحمد متعب. You just joined us right now. طيب أسامة فراس. أسامة فراس. أسامة. Ahmed Gamas, you will answer this question. The next one. 38, Ahmed, answer it. Ahmed, I can't hear you.
Can you hear me?
Yes, I hear you now.
Type of current in your school is mostly
Yes, the type of. Huh? What's the type of the current school? What direct? Yes. Ahmed.
yes.
What is the type of current in your school? At your school, what's the type of the current? It's alternating. Ahmed, raise your voice a little bit, Ahmed. It's alternating current. 39. Let me start from the beginning. So we have here right now 11 students. Abdullah Dahilan.
Yes, teacher.
Abdullah, read question 39.
Which of the following materials allows charge to flow easily? A glass, wood, an electrical conductor, an electrical insulator. An electrical conductor.
Bravo عليك. Conductor, electrical conductor is the answer. And thank you, Abdullah. Adham. 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 Adham, leave us. Ahmed Metav Al-Gannas.
I'm here, Mister.
Adham didn't leave us, okay. Question 40.
Okay. Me, Mr. Lasa.
Yes, Adham اللي يجاوب.
Okay. An electrical insulator. An electric insulator has, I think it's D.
Electrons tightly bound to its atom. Insulator, yes. The answer is D. Electrons are tightly bound to their atoms. Thank you, Adham. Question 30 or 43. Ahmed Al-Gannas. Ahmed Al-Gannas. Right. أحمد اسم الكلام ده. طيب حسن رمضان. حسن رمضان. حسن رمضان.
Yes, Mister.
41 حسن.
Resistance is affected by material, all of above, Mister.
Yes, thickness, temperature, length, and all of the above. All of the above. 42. إبراهيم أنور. إبراهيم أنور.
Yes, Mister.
Ibrahim 42 answer it.
What? What, Mr. Again, your voice was lagging. Hello, Mr.
Question 42.
42. Which of the following would reduce the resistance of a metal wire?
This question 42. Answer this.
All above. D, all of the above. Hello?
Ibrahim, it's your internet. It's your internet, Ibrahim. I can hear you very well.
All of the above.
No, it's wrong. Not all of the above.
What does mean reduce?
Decrease.
Decrease. Increasing its thickness.
Yes, even if you said that it want to increase, it will be B and C, not A. A is not increasing the resistance. If you understand reduce, that it increases, so increasing temperature and increasing length would increase the resistance, but increasing thickness will reduce it, will decrease it. So the answer is reducing the resistance by increasing the thickness. Thank you, Ibrahim. Muaz.
Yes, Mr.
Ask question 43.
What is the difference in electrical potential energy between two places in electric field? C, potential difference.
What's the difference in electrical potential energy between two places? Potential difference, yes, the answer is C. Thank you, Morris. 44. Muhammad Abdul Baqi. Muhammad Abdul Qadir. Muhammad
Yes,
Abdul
Mr.
Qadir. Muhammad, this question. Question 44.
Which of the following is maintained across the terminals of a battery?
Maintained across terminals of battery, yes. Which of the following is maintained across the terminals of a battery?
Potential difference and voltage drop.
Yes, potential difference and voltage drop both are the same across the voltage of the cell, and the voltage drop will be equal to each other. The 45. 45. Muhammad Ramadan. Muhammad Ramadan. Ramadan is absent. Where do you think? Abdulaziz Hilal. Abdulaziz Hilal. Abdulaziz Hilal. Saad Al-Yami. Saad Al-Yami.
Yes, Mr.
Saad, answer question 45.
The current in a hair dryer measures 15.0 amperes. The resistance of the hair dryer is 8 ohms. What is the
Ohms, not OHMS, it's ohms, 8 ohms. What is the voltage? Saad, what is the voltage if you have a current of 15 amps and a resistance of 8 ohms? What is the voltage? According to Ohm's law, voltage equal what, Saad? Voltage equal I multiplied by R. Current multiplied by resistance will give you the voltage across a resistance. So you have to multiply the current that flows through a resistance, multiplied by the resistance itself, you will get the voltage drop in this resistance. So what is the answer?
It's A, 120 or 120.
15 multiply 8, it will equal A, I think 120 volts. Yes, interesting. Thank you, Saad. Let's go for another one. سعد خالد الحسيني.
Yes.
سعد خالد. Question 46.
Which of the following represent Ohm's law?
Ohm's law.
V equal I X B.
V equal IR. I current multiply resistance equal voltage. So the answer is B. Thank you, Saad. Khalid. Ali Kamal Marzouk. علي كمال حسين المرزوق. علي كمال. علي. Let me start again from the beginning. It ends up that we have 8 students. So let's review again how many students we have. Abdullah Dahilan.
Yes, Mr.
Question 47.
Okay, how many paths through which charge can flow would be shown in a circuit diagram of a series circuit? 1, 2 or more, none, more information is needed. It's Mr. Only one path because series.
Yes, series has only one path. 48. Adham. 48. Adham. أحمد القناص. حسن رمضان. حسن رمضان. حسن رمضان.
I am here, Mr.
48.
Most of the circuits is your home are closed circuits.
No. Most of the circuits in your home are series or parallel. This is the answer. Series or parallel. Connected. Hassan. Hassan.
Yes, Mr. I'm here.
What's the answer? What's the answer? Tell me the answer. One of these. Series or parallel?
Serious, Mr.
No, it's not series. Because if it were series, if you switch light off one bulb, all appliances at your home will be turned off. Because we have only one path in the series circuit. But because you can turn off one light bulb and turn on the other one, turn off the refrigerator, switch off the mixer. So all of this has different paths. So they are parallel circuits because you have more than one path for the current to flow through it. Because if you have them, all of them in series circuit, if you switch off one bulb, all other appliances will be turned off. So all of appliances at your home are connected in parallel. The answer is B. Thank you, Hassan. Muaz. 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 Yes, I hear you. What is the unit of electric power?
Volt.
It's volt. Electric power, volt? No, not volt. Electric power, power. Volt is the unit of voltage. Power, which can be calculated like this. Power equal IV. And the power equal, remember that I square R and the power equal V squared divided by R, and the last one power equal N divided by all these are power, and all of this has a unit of power. زيد معاذ. معاذ.
Yes, it's watt.
It's watt. Okay, the answer is watt. Is what? Question 50. محمد عبد القادر. محمد عبد القادر.
Yes, Mr.
Muhammad, question 50. Can you read it and answer, please?
If you know the power rating of an appliance and the voltage of the line it is attached to, you can calculate the current the appliance uses by A, multiplying the voltage by the power.
You can calculate the voltage by the power, and the voltage of the line is attached to. You can calculate the current. Want the current? No, current is not multiplying.
Mr. I said D, dividing the voltage by the power.
Oh, dividing the power by the voltage. Power by voltage will give you the answer is D. Yes, because of this relationship. Because of this one, you want current. Current will equal power divided by voltage. So thank you. Muhammad 51. 51. سعد اليامي. سعد اليامي.
Sir.
Question 51. Read it.
Which of the following provides electric safety? All of the above, I think.
It's all of the above. Fuse, circuit breaker, ground fault, circuit interrupter. All of them are providing electrical safety. Question 52. سعد خالد الحسيني.
Yes.
52. Read it.
Ground fault circuit. Interrupter shuts down the circuit if it, I think, senses unequal current.
Yes, unequal current, because it's called GFCI. GFCI, like this. This is the abbreviation for it. GFCI. And the current enters and leaves the appliance. So it will measure, GFCI will measure the current before and after the appliance. If it finds there is a difference in the current or an equal current, the current in, the current out, it will cut the circuit. It will cut the circuit directly. Why? Because if there is an equal current, this means there is a leakage for the current here. And this can cause an electric shock, can harm somebody, can hurt somebody. So they cut the circuit directly. This is called GFCI. And how it works, it senses unequal currents. If it found that the currents are not equal, it will cut off the circuit. 53. علي كمال مرزوق. عبد الله الدحيلان. عبد الله.
Yes, Mr. Here.
53. Read it.
Information sends a pattern and cause in the controlled flow of electrons through a circuit is an electrical signal, digital signal, analog signal, integrated signal. I think Mr. that's electrical signal.
Electronic signal. The answer is electronic signal. So information sent as pattern and code in the controlled flow of electrons. So he's changing a signal or a pattern or a code through changing the current or manipulating the current. This is called electronic signal. 54. Last question, I think. We will answer it. Adham. رجعت تتصرف واحدة الثاني. طيب حسن رمضان. حسن ما جاوب. حسن رمضان. إبراهيم أنور.
Yes, Mr.
Later حسن later خلاص أنت حسن دلوقتي عاد. إبراهيم answer this question 54. إبراهيم أنور answer question 54.
Electric signals that are smoothly vary signals produce of continuously change the voltage or current in the circuit. Digital signals.
Or what?
Digital signals.
Smoothly varying, not digital. Wrong. It's analog.
Analog.
Because it's smoothly varying. Digital signals has a value of 0 and 1. Only two values. It can be on, off, off. On, off. There is no varying, smoothing variant. It's not changing variant. So this is what analog signals. Thank you guys for listening. The rest you will find it. The solution you'll find it in the last of the cheat of this
Thank you, Mr.
worksheet, and you'll find it on Coursera. Thank you and have a nice day. Bye bye.
Thank you, Mr. Have a nice day.
Have a nice day, teacher.
Thank you guys. Bye bye. Have a nice day.